What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. In this here absolutely beautiful 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. So I've been saying it for a long time, real long time, and proof is in the pudding. I got it right here. Can't even zoom on the GoPro and it just freaked out, but that's a receipt. So like I said, I've been saying it for a long time. I've never liked the wheels on this truck. They came on the black RST when I bought it, so somebody else picked them out. They were in tiny little tires, so I put the tires on, maintained the rims, ended up taking the motor metal, hubcap off because I didn't like the logo at all. And so now I'm running dual drilled with my rusty bolts there, and it was finally time for a change. So as I've said zillions of times on this channel, I'm not really sure what wheels these are. I think they're MO 970s. That's what I've been calling them. Don't know the width, don't know the offset, but if I had to guess, I'm fairly certain these are MO 970s in a 20x9 or 20x10 and a 0 offset. And if you look down the side of the truck here, I mean, they just barely, like the sidewall of the tire pokes past the fender. So not really any bulldog stance going on there, but I like it. I like them being tucked in and saving the paint. Close in there. I mean, it's a decent looking wheel. I don't like the silver, fake beadlock looking things. Obviously I don't like the dual drilled, and I'm not a huge fan of wheels that have those plastic hubcaps, obviously to cover up the fact that they're dual drilled. Sorry, some car just pulled up and pulled up right next to me. Sort of lost a train of thought here, but I think I was saying, oh yeah, not a terrible looking wheel here. I mean, if this was solid, single drilled and didn't have the plastic covers, I'd probably keep them, to be honest, but I just don't like that look. And once again, the beadlock. So it was finally time for something to change, and I'm gonna do my best when we get back home to rig up some photos, some side shots of the truck with the wheels that I ordered. But I ordered some wheels, and I'm gonna tell you what they are. So after a long time of delegating and looking at stuff, I've been in this process for about a month. I kind of narrowed it down. I liked fuels. I was finding the fuel wheels were looking pretty good. I'd seen them on some other trucks. Some of my buddies got fuels on their trucks, and I liked them. And looked around, thought I settled on the Fuel Rebels. And then I saw that there is the Fuel Clash, which I guess got released a couple months ago. It's a new wheel, looks like the Rebel, but it's kind of a deep dish design. And I said, oh, those look good. I sat on that for a while. Looked into ordering some. Custom Offset said it was, like 6 weeks to get them because of supply chain issues and whatnot. So, I was sitting on it, and then today I made a decision. So, in my infinite boredom, which usually happens, went down to Discount Tire and asked them what they have. I've been looking at Custom Offset's website just because they got a gallery, lots of options as well, but I think it has to be shipped to you freight, and then you have them, you have to get them installed regardless. So just on a whim, I went by a Discount Tire and I said, hey, I'm looking into these 3 options, and they did some research, and it came back that the Fuel Clash, there was one set in a 20x10 -18 offset, which is what I wanted, left in the United States before it went on back order in Florida. And like, yeah, if you order them today, they're yours. And I have no patience. I don't want to wait for anything. They had Rebels as well, so that could have been a backup, but I just pulled the trigger on some Fuel Clashes, and this is where I'm going to try and work my Photoshop skills. We'll get some shots of the truck on the side here. But yeah, we got Fuel Clashes coming for this old girl. So once again, 20x10, 20x9, don't really know. I'm going to opt for a 20x9 on these wheels. 0 offset. So if we go an inch wider on the tire and then an 18mm offset, we're actually going to have some poke on the truck, which I'm super excited about. It's going to fling rocks up the side and whatnot, but I think it should look good. And also those wheels are just freaking stunning. I really like them. Obviously single drilled for the truck, so I don't have to have any plastic cover on there. I think they're good looking wheels as well. It's going to fit super good with the truck, I think. So today is Wednesday. They come in Friday evening. They said they'd put them on Friday night. So 2 days until those arrive. I did end up paying extra for expedited shipping. Once again, I'm not patient. I want them on the truck. And I love the way the truck looks, but it needs wheels. I've been saying it for so long. I need different wheels. Man, I'm freaking excited, but I am slightly worried. So number one, as is, just the way Chevrolets make their wheel wells, these tires do barely rub if the suspension, wow, butchered that, suspension is compressed. If it's flat and totally fine, we're good. But you know, if it's compressed a little bit, you can see it rubs just barely. And then when you take the wheel and bring it out even more, that makes, you know, the turning, I don't know, what's the mathematical term for it, the arc, I guess, wider, so it'll probably rub. We're not bumping them out that much, maybe 1.5 inches ish, but still, we're gonna have some clearance issues with rubbing. I might end up trimming some of this fender liner out, but I just don't turn the wheel all the way. It'll be fine. And number two, for whatever reason, Chevrolet on these new trucks put this fin here on their calipers. And if you can see here, once again, GoPro can't really focus, like that clearance on these current wheels is like 1 millimeter. So I really hope that these new wheels clear this fin on this caliper, and I'm gonna look it up when I get home if you can shave this off, because I will take a Dremel with me when I go to get them put on, because I'd prefer not to run spacers. So I guess worst case scenario, I can get some, you know, 3/8 inch or 1/4 inch spacers, just little discs. Still though, those aren't hub centric, and then it puts all the weight of the wheel on the lugs rather than the hub bore. So I'm really hoping that's not an issue. Like I said, I mean, I might pick up some spacers just in case, and I might take a Dremel. I don't know, I'll be prepared. Hopefully they just fit right out the bat. Everything that the guy said it should. It's a higher offset, but I think it's contingent on back spacing, but we will see, because that is a worry. I don't know. GM, why? Answer the question. Somebody tell me. So there we are for a cool $356 a piece. We're getting new wheels on the truck finally, and I think it's really gonna pull it together. I mean, I'm excited. Tell me what y'all think. Like I said, I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but I'm gonna try and rig up some Photoshop here to see what the truck would look like with them on already. Gotta wait 2 days. But yeah, oh man, I'm excited. I am super freaking excited. So nutshell, thank you guys so much for the support. We're at 1,000. It's freaking awesome. If you guys have any ideas, questions, comments about the truck you want to see, you just let me know, and I'll make some videos about it, because I'm having fun doing this, and I'm glad y'all enjoy it as well. But there she is. 2 days time, 48 hours. We're gonna have some new shoes on this old girl, and I think, oh man, this is gonna look sweet. I'm excited. Thank you guys for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.